Interested in learning about the smiling face with sunglasses and sunglasses emojis? These symbols can have different meanings and uses depending on the context. On Snapchat, a smiling face with sunglasses means you have a mutual best friend, while the smiling face with sunglasses in messages generally signifies confident and carefree vibes. In a text or social media comment, it can be used to describe something awesome, convey confidence, or express coolness. It can also be used more literally to talk about vacation or show off a fashion choice. The sunglasses emoji, on the other hand, can simply represent sunglasses, bright or hot weather, or it can be used to refer to something cool or shady. Both emojis are popular on National Sunglasses Day, celebrated on June 27th. Join the fun by posting a pic with your favorite shades and using these emojis in your caption with the hashtag National Sunglasses Day.